How to make my breakfast. Hi, my name is Louisa. I'm grade 6A, student of Kristong 1 Surabaya. Now, I want to share to my friends how to prepare my breakfast. Before I go to school, I always drink glass of milk and simple sandwich. Now, I want to show you how to make my breakfast. First, I prepare a glass of milk. Ingredients: a glass, a sachet of white condensed milk, sugar, and warm water. How to make? Put a sachet white condensed milk to a glass. A teaspoon of sugar and warm water. And then stir it. A glass of milk ready to enjoy. Now we prepare a simple sandwich. Ingredient: 2 pieces of white bread, margarine, sprinkled chocolate in shade meshes, and bread knife. How to make? Take 1 layer pan of bread, coat with dark margarine. With sprinkled chocolate, cover with 1 layer of white bread. My sandwich ready to enjoy. This is my simple breakfast. Thank you for watching.